You can build a funnel anywhere, even on the completely free platforms that you're already using. In a few weeks, I'll be taking a group of motivated people through building their first automated sales funnel. I'm going to show you what you won't learn in any other automated funnel building workshop, at least not any that I've come across anyways. What matters most is how you build it and what you put into it. And that's what I intend to teach you in the Unfrazzled funnel building workshop. But what's the use in knowing how to build a funnel if you still don't know what to use to build it or how to use that tool? So I'm going to teach you that too. I'll be showing you how to build a funnel using freemium tools. This means that you can build everything you need right now for free and only upgrade when you need or want to. This also means that I'll be showing you tools that aren't offering me an affiliate fee for. Whether you're just getting started or you've already dabbled in building a funnel, this workshop will help you. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to write it, launch it, and promote it. I'm going to guide you through every step of the way. And if you're less than tech savvy, that's okay, because you're going to be getting step-by-step instruction and guidance on everything. I spent a lot of time building this program for you, but the truth is that I haven't run it yet, at least not live. This will be the very first time, so I need your help to turn it into something fantastic. As a beta test member, you're going to be integral in helping me perfect and refine this workshop for future members. I've packed a ton of value into this workshop, so once I get through this beta test phase, I plan on offering this workshop for $14.97. But before I can do that, I need testers to make sure that it delivers on its promises. So as a beta test member, you will get lifetime access to the entire workshop for only $197. And as a lifetime access member, you're going to get access to all of the updates, changes, or any additions made along the way. So as it gets better, you're going to get access to the better content without having to pay extra. This beta test starts on Monday, October 12th. If you want to join us, you're going to have to register soon, because once we start the beta test, registration will be closed until the next workshop. So if you want to get in on this for only $197, you're going to want to register now.